The tool isn't being careful, it's being confident, and those two things are not the same. Welcome back to this Master Your Merger video blog. We're on number 4 in our series of the 7 deadly sins of AI and HR M&A. I'm Klint Kendrick, and today we tackle the sin that catches even careful people flat-footed: hallucination. Here's the thing you have to understand about how this works. The tool invents facts with total confidence. It's not lying to you because it doesn't know it's wrong. It's filling a gap based on patterns from its training instead of the document that's sitting right in front of it. And here's why that's so dangerous. The made-up answer arrives in the exact same calm, professional voice as the correct one. There's no tremor in it, no hedge, nothing in the tone to warn you. When a human guesses, we can usually hear it. When the tool guesses, it sounds just like knowing. And it gets worse the more specialized the question. On a plan summary, you'll probably catch a bad answer. On a narrow plan design detail, a vesting nuance, a specific legal standard, well, you're far less likely to catch those errors. And that is exactly where the tool is most tempted to invent things. The harder the question, the more carefully you have to read the answer. I've seen this one turn a good week into a bad month. Picture drafting the day one benefits FAQ for an acquired population. The AI hands you a clean, confident answer about the dental plan. It says the plan includes orthodontia coverage up to $2,000 per dependent. That reads perfectly, so you ship it to the employees. Except that's not what the plan document actually says. Now you've got a written commitment to coverage your plan does not offer, and it's been sent to every acquired employee with HR and legal copied on the original. And that retraction email is so much harder to write than if it had been accurate in the first place. And you'll know if you just open the document. So there's a few ways to work with this. First, demand citations up front. Tell the tool to cite specific sections. Tell it plainly not to fill gaps. And tell it to say so when it's not sure. And then actually check them. We talked about this last week. If it says the answer's in section 3.2, open 3.2. And if it's not there, you've caught the hallucination before it becomes commitment. And then finally, choose the right tool for the stakes. Some tools hallucinate more than others, and tool choice matters most exactly when accuracy matters most. So hold on to the core of this. The tool's not being careful, it's being confident, and our entire job is knowing the difference between those two things. We break down which tools to trust for high accuracy work in the AI playbook for HR M&A. It's available to our members, and you can learn more about membership at masteryourmerger.com/membership. Next week, we'll talk about the sin that has cost practitioners more than any other, and you usually never find out it happened: AI slop and the credibility trap.